Hi, this is Pratyush, your instructor, and in this video we will be building a real-time sentiment analyzer web app just inside Python. Sentiment analysis is a technique in natural language processing that is used to determine whether the given data is positive, negative, or neutral. It is mostly used for analyzing tweets, reviews of customer on different products and services. So here is the demo of our application. So first of all, you need to type a review over here. So let me hover over to here and just type my review, that great tutorial. Now hit enter, and as you can see, our sentiment is positive. Over here you can see the emoji right there and a positive statement, and let's say bad tutorial, and it is showing negative sentiment. So this is how our program or project will work. So here is the logic behind the project. We will be using Streamlight as a GUI for our application. Streamlight is an open source Python library that makes it easy to create and share custom web app for machine learning and data science products. Using Streamlight, you can create, deploy powerful data application in just few minutes with a few lines of code. And we will be using text blob module for classifying the given input as positive, negative, or neutral. We will first create a score variable inside our program that will give it a score more than 0 or equals to 0 or less than 0. If the score is equal to 0, that means the statement is neutral, and if it is more than 0, then it will show that it is a positive statement, and less than 0 or a negative, then it is a negative statement. That's really simple. So let's start by importing the required packages. So first of all, open up your terminal over here and just type in pip install Streamlight. Alright, after installing Streamlight, we need to install the text blob module. And that is it. After installing, you are done. But now it's time to run the application. So what you can do is use the Streamlight run command. Just cut everything and just type in Streamlight run and then your application name. So on hitting enter, you will get a code somewhat like this. So this is the network URL where your web app is going to be demonstrated or just projected. So this is the link. You can just copy it from here and simply paste it on your browser. So let's start the coding part. So fire up your code editor and just start by importing the module. So in the first two lines of code, I am importing Streamlight as st, and text blob I need to import text blob. Now make sure that the initials of text blob are in capital letter. Now it's time to take the input from the user. So first of all, we can give a heading over to our web application by using the write function of the Streamlight library. So just type in st and you can use the write function. So inside the bracket, you need to type in the heading. In our case, it will be real-time sentiment analyzer. Now it's time to take the user input. So I will be creating an input variable over here. Now to take a user input, we can use the text input method of Streamlight library. So in this two line of code, I am just writing the header as real-time sentiment analyzer and taking the text input as enter your review here or something like that using the Streamlight text input method. Now it's time to scoring the polarity of the given statement. So first of all, I will create a score variable. We can use text blob input method and then we will just check the sentiment polarity over here. So in this line of code, I am just fetching the sentiment or the given statement by the user as a form of text input in the input variable, and then I am using the text blob sentiment polarity function or method to just determine whether the score is more than 0, less than 0 or equals to 0. Now it's time to print the result. So we have to create three conditions over here, that if our score is equals to 0, then the st will write it as a neutral statement, otherwise a negative or positive. So let me just write a condition over here. We can use the Streamlight write method to write the statement over here, and you can use any emoji to make your program look better. So it's time to create another condition, that is elif. So if our score is less than 0, then the streamlight write method will write a statement like negative. Now it's time to create a condition to check the score, that if the score is greater than 0, then the streamlight write method will write a statement like positive. So that is it guys, how to create a sentiment analyzer just using Python. I hope this tutorial was really helpful, and if it was helpful then consider subscribing and hit the like button below. I will meet you on another tutorial. Until then, keep coding.